What is the role of antibodies in immunity?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Antibodies bind to antigens, neutralizing pathogens and tagging them for destruction by immune cells. How do antibiotics function?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Antibiotics kill or inhibit the growth of bacteria by targeting bacterial cell wall synthesis, protein synthesis, and other functions. What is the role of microbes in sewage treatment?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Microbes break down organic matter in sewage, converting it to simpler forms in the treatment process. How is malaria transmitted to humans?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Malaria is transmitted through the bite of an infected female Anopheles mosquito, which injects Plasmodium parasites. What is the principle behind vaccination?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Vaccination introduces a weakened or killed pathogen to stimulate an immune response and build memory against future infections. What causes AIDS in humans?
3, 2, 1, 0.
AIDS is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, which weakens the immune system. Name one biofertilizer and its role.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Rhizobium bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen, enriching soil fertility. What is cancer?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Cancer is the uncontrolled division of abnormal cells in the body, forming tumors that can spread. How does penicillin work?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Penicillin inhibits bacterial cell wall synthesis, leading to cell death. What are interferons?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Interferons are proteins produced by cells in response to viral infections, helping to inhibit virus replication. Define immunity.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Immunity is the body's ability to resist infection and disease through immune responses. What is the role of algae in agriculture?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Algae like azolla improve soil fertility through nitrogen fixation. Which pathogen causes tuberculosis?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. What is gene therapy?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Gene therapy is a technique to treat or prevent diseases by inserting, altering, or removing genes within an individual's cells. What is humoral immunity?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Humoral immunity involves antibodies produced by B cells that circulate in body fluids to neutralize pathogens. What is a biocontrol agent?
3, 2, 1, 0.
A biocontrol agent is a natural organism used to control pests, like Bacillus thuringiensis for insect control. How do vaccines protect against disease?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Vaccines stimulate the immune system to produce memory cells without causing illness. What is tissue culture in plants?
3, 2,
Tissue culture is a technique to grow plant cells in a nutrient medium under sterile conditions to produce clones. What is meant by hybrid vigor?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Hybrid vigor, or heterosis, is the increased strength and productivity of hybrids over their parents. What is an antibiotic?
3, 2, 1, 0.
An antibiotic is a substance produced by microorganisms that kills or inhibits the growth of other microorganisms. How do microbes help in biofuel production?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Microbes like methanobacterium produce biogas by fermenting organic material. What is inbreeding?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Inbreeding is the mating of closely related individuals to maintain desired traits in the offspring. What causes typhoid?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Typhoid fever is caused by Salmonella typhi, a bacterium. What is green manure?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Green manure is plant material, such as legumes, plowed back into the soil to improve its organic content and fertility. What is lactobacillus used for?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Lactobacillus is used in the dairy industry to ferment milk, producing yogurt and cheese. What is malaria prophylaxis?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Malaria prophylaxis involves preventive measures, like taking anti-malarial drugs, to avoid malaria infection. What is the role of Saccharomyces cerevisiae in food production?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Saccharomyces cerevisiae, or baker's yeast, is used in baking and alcohol production due to its fermentation abilities. Define biofortification.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Biofortification is the process of increasing the nutritional value of crops through breeding or genetic modification. What is immunization?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Immunization is the process of making an individual immune to a disease by administering a vaccine. What causes ringworm in humans?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Ringworm is caused by fungal species like trichophyton and microsporum. What is the primary use of Aspergillus niger in industry?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Aspergillus niger is used industrially to produce citric acid through fermentation. Define cancer metastasis.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Metastasis is the spread of cancer cells from the primary site to other body parts, forming secondary tumors. What is the role of lymphocytes in the immune system?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Lymphocytes, including B cells and T cells, play a central role in adaptive immunity by targeting specific pathogens. Name one crop improved by hybrid breeding for better yield.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Maize has been improved by hybrid breeding for increased yield and better resistance. What is interferon therapy?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Interferon therapy involves using interferons to treat viral infections and some cancers by enhancing immune responses. What is edible vaccine?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Edible vaccines are genetically modified plants containing antigens that trigger immune responses. When ingested, what are monoclonal antibodies?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Monoclonal antibodies are identical antibodies produced from a single clone of cells, used for diagnosis and treatment. What is the main use of Clostridium butyricum?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Clostridium butyricum is used in biofertilizers to enrich the soil by fixing nitrogen. What is the primary pathogen causing amoebiasis?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Amoebiasis is caused by the protozoan Entamoeba histolytica. What is an antigen?
3, 2, 1, 0.
An antigen is a foreign substance that induces an immune response, especially the production of antibodies. What is golden rice?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Golden rice is a genetically modified variety of rice enriched with vitamin A to prevent deficiency. What is a vaccine?
3, 2, 1, 0.
A vaccine is a biological preparation that provides immunity against a specific disease by simulating an infection. What is the role of trichoderma in agriculture?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Trichoderma species act as biocontrol agents to protect crops from soil-borne fungal pathogens. What are B cells?
3, 2, 1, 0.
B cells are a type of lymphocyte responsible for producing antibodies to fight infections. What is mutation breeding?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Mutation breeding is the process of inducing mutations to create crops with desirable traits. What is gene silencing?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Gene silencing is a technique used to prevent the expression of specific genes, often applied in genetic research and therapy. What is the purpose of biofertilizers?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Biofertilizers improve soil fertility by fixing nitrogen, decomposing organic matter, and promoting plant growth. How does mycorrhiza benefit plants?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Mycorrhiza forms a symbiotic relationship with plants, enhancing water and nutrient absorption, particularly phosphorus. What is the causative agent of the common cold?
3, 2, 1, 0.
The common cold is mainly caused by the rhinovirus. Define zoonosis.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Zoonosis refers to diseases that can be transmitted from animals to humans, such as rabies or swine flu. What is genetic engineering?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Genetic engineering is the direct manipulation of an organism's genes to alter or enhance specific traits. What is the role of rhizobium in agriculture?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Rhizobium fixes atmospheric nitrogen in legume root nodules, enriching soil nitrogen content. What is the difference between humoral and cell-mediated immunity?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Humoral immunity involves antibodies in body fluids, while cell-mediated immunity involves T cells targeting infected cells directly. How does Azotobacter benefit agriculture?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Azotobacter is a free-living nitrogen-fixing bacterium that enhances soil fertility and crop yield. What is hybridoma technology? Hybridoma technology involves fusing B cells with myeloma cells to produce monoclonal antibodies. What is biogas?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Biogas is a renewable energy source produced from the anaerobic digestion of organic matter by microbes. How does BCG vaccine protect against tuberculosis?
3, 2, 1, 0.
The BCG vaccine contains a live, attenuated strain of Mycobacterium bovis, which builds immunity against tuberculosis. What is the role of Streptococcus bacteria in cheese production?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Streptococcus bacteria aid in the fermentation process, producing lactic acid and contributing to cheese flavor. What are probiotics?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Probiotics are live microorganisms that confer health benefits when consumed, aiding digestion and immunity. What is apoptosis?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Apoptosis is the process of programmed cell death, helping maintain healthy cell turnover and tissue homeostasis. Name a crop improved for disease resistance using plant breeding.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Wheat has been bred for resistance to rust disease through conventional breeding techniques. What is a transgenic organism?
3, 2, 1, 0.
A transgenic organism has been genetically modified to contain genes from another species. How does interferon therapy work in viral infections?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Interferon therapy boosts the immune response, helping slow down or inhibit virus replication in infected cells. What is aquaculture?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Aquaculture is the cultivation of aquatic organisms like fish, shellfish, and algae, under controlled conditions for food production. What causes elephantiasis?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Elephantiasis is caused by parasitic filarial worms, primarily Wuchereria bancrofti, transmitted by mosquito bites. How does anabena function as a biofertilizer?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Anabena is a cyanobacterium that fixes atmospheric nitrogen, enhancing soil fertility, especially in rice paddies. What is vaccination?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Vaccination is a method of stimulating the immune system to develop immunity against a specific disease using weakened pathogens. What are genetically modified crops, GM crops?
3, 2, 1, 0.
GM crops are plants whose DNA has been modified to express desired traits like pest resistance or improved yield. What is a biological control method?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Biological control uses natural predators or pathogens to manage pest populations, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. What is tuberculosis and how is it transmitted?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Tuberculosis is a bacterial infection caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, transmitted through airborne droplets. Define parasitism.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Parasitism is a relationship where one organism, the parasite, lives on or in a host organism, harming it. How do algae improve soil health?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Certain algae fix nitrogen and contribute organic matter, enhancing soil fertility. What is the importance of lactobacillus in food industry?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Lactobacillus is used to ferment milk into yogurt, enhancing flavor and nutritional value. How is the immune system affected in AIDS patients?
3, 2, 1, 0.
HIV infects and destroys helper T cells, weakening the immune system and increasing susceptibility to infections. What is bioremediation?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Bioremediation uses microbes to clean up environmental pollutants, breaking down toxic substances into less harmful forms. How does Penicillium fungus contribute to medicine?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Penicillium produces penicillin, an antibiotic effective against bacterial infections. What is an antigen-presenting cell, APC?
3, 2, 1, 0.
APCs are immune cells that process and present antigens on their surface to activate T cells. Examples include macrophages and dendritic cells. What is the function of helper T cells in immunity?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Helper T cells activate B cells and cytotoxic T cells, enhancing the immune response. What is crop rotation?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Crop rotation is the practice of growing different types of crops in the same area across seasons, to improve soil health and reduce pests. How does Nitrosomonas bacteria contribute to the nitrogen cycle?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Nitrosomonas converts ammonia into nitrite in the nitrogen cycle, playing a crucial role in nitrification. What is genetic resistance?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Genetic resistance is the inherent ability of an organism to withstand pathogens or pests due to its genetic makeup. What causes pneumonia?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Pneumonia is caused by bacteria like Streptococcus pneumoniae or viruses, leading to lung inflammation and fluid accumulation. What is induced immunity?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Induced immunity is acquired through vaccination or exposure to a pathogen, resulting in immune memory formation. Define genetic engineering.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Genetic engineering is the manipulation of an organism's genes to express desirable traits or remove undesirable ones. What is monoculture in agriculture?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Monoculture is the cultivation of a single crop over a large area, which can increase vulnerability to pests and diseases. What role does methanobacterium play in biogas production?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Methanobacterium helps decompose organic matter anaerobically, producing methane as a biogas. What is the role of killer T cells?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Killer T cells destroy infected or abnormal cells by releasing enzymes that induce cell death. How does selective breeding improve livestock?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Selective breeding enhances desirable traits like milk production, disease resistance, and growth rate in livestock. What is the principle of ELISA in diagnostics?
3, 2, 1, 0.
ELISA detects specific antigens or antibodies in a sample, used widely for diagnosing infections like HIV. What is vermicomposting?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Vermicomposting is the use of earthworms to convert organic waste into nutrient-rich compost. What is the function of cytotoxic T cells?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Cytotoxic T cells kill infected cells and play a key role in cell-mediated immunity. Name a disease transmitted by contaminated food or water.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Cholera, caused by Vibrio cholerae, is transmitted by consuming contaminated food or water. Define the term immunity.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Immunity is the body's ability to recognize and defend against pathogens or foreign substances. What is cryopreservation in animal breeding?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Cryopreservation is the process of freezing semen or embryos for long-term storage and future use. In breeding, how do biofertilizers benefit agriculture?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Biofertilizers enhance soil fertility and provide essential nutrients by fixing atmospheric nitrogen. What is somatic cell hybridization?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Somatic cell hybridization is the fusion of two different types of somatic cells to combine desirable traits in plants. How does Bacillus thuringiensis act as a biopesticide?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Bacillus thuringiensis produces proteins toxic to insect larvae, protecting crops from pest damage. What is rinderpest?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Rinderpest is a viral disease affecting cattle and buffaloes, now eradicated through vaccination. How does Aspergillus contribute to the food industry?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Aspergillus species are used in food fermentation and enzyme production, like amylase. Define monoclonal antibody therapy.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Monoclonal antibody therapy uses lab-made antibodies to treat diseases by targeting specific antigens on cells. What is green revolution?
3, 2, 1, 0.
The Green Revolution refers to the increase in agricultural production through high-yielding varieties and advanced techniques. How does Bacillus subtilis benefit agriculture?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Bacillus subtilis is used as a biocontrol agent against soil-borne pathogens, protecting crops naturally. What is disease resistance in plants?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Disease resistance in plants is the ability to prevent or reduce the severity of infections, often bred into crops. How is rabies transmitted?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Rabies is transmitted through the saliva of infected animals, usually through bites. What is pedigree analysis?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Pedigree analysis studies family history to trace genetic disorders, determining inheritance patterns. How is polio prevented?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Polio is prevented through vaccination, primarily using the oral polio vaccine, OPV. What is heterosis or hybrid vigor?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Heterosis, or hybrid vigor, is the increased growth or fertility of hybrids over their parents. What is the role of restriction enzymes in genetic engineering?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Restriction enzymes cut DNA at specific sites, enabling gene splicing in genetic engineering. How is dengue fever transmitted?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Dengue fever is transmitted by the bite of an infected Aedes mosquito. What are plant growth promoting rhizobacteria, PGPR?
3, 2, 1, 0.
PGPR are beneficial bacteria that colonize plant roots, enhancing growth by fixing nitrogen and producing hormones. Define epitope.
3, 2, 1, 0.
An epitope is a specific part of an antigen that an antibody binds to, triggering an immune response. How is insulin produced through biotechnology?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Insulin is produced by inserting the human insulin gene into bacterial cells, which then produce insulin protein. What is DNA fingerprinting?
3, 2, 1, 0.
DNA fingerprinting is a technique to identify individuals based on their unique DNA sequences. What is mutagenesis in plant breeding?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Mutagenesis is inducing mutations in plants to create varieties with desirable traits. How does cholera spread?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Cholera spreads through contaminated food or water, causing severe diarrhea and dehydration. What is integrated pest management, IPM?
3, 2,
IPM is an eco-friendly approach combining biological, mechanical, and chemical methods to manage pest populations.